So hi guys, how are you doing today? How are you all? And in today's video is, as you can see, we are here again in the forest. We went again to my father job and we help, but this time is me, my kids, and my father only, because my sisters had a class. Ouch! The we is bit difficult because my sister had a class, so it's because today is Wednesday, so that there's a class, so they they did not help us because you know that is uh, class is important. Did not allow to absent because you know that the class is uh, coming end. Yeah. So look at my father and my eldest son. My father Kerry here has grandson, my eldest son, Ace, because he said that he don't want to walk because it's he tired, because you know that last day he had fever, but this day he's okay now. And also my auntie and my cousin is here. He went to forest also because you know that guys, this is our real life. This is our real life. My relatives, my relatives works charcoal maker, and look, my cousin harvest corn to make food to boil later, because you know that when you really hard work, it's very hungry after. And there's a carabao here. Hey, sorry for my voice guys, because my, you know that I'm always my throat is hurt. Ma, ma. We need to go here in the, what is this in English? It's river. I think river. Yeah. I will update to you later guys. I will update to you later when we arrive. So I will cut the video first. Say hi. Say hi. Bilin sa lagas. We are here na. This is my father's side, and over there my uncles, and this one is my father. And he have a payag, a small house. Dali na made of kuan. Made of trapal. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Dinanak. Wow, excavator. And you know guys, this one, that site is, they have a old man living alone in the forest. So I will take a video later. Dito mo palit.
Ano na? Ha? Hilom ko man.
Hilom na adlaw.
Eh,
Natagal na kanyo yo.
sira rin. Buhilak nga ni, gamay. Maguba talaga tayo, maguba. Bangil. Buhok. So, pang-alim mga agi operate ng motor.
Ano to mga kuan? Rider. Napagod na. The fish is kuan na born. Nanay no nanti oh. Hoy, asa ka? Ilaw pa ng sulod pa no? Oh. Oo, kamote man din ni.
Ayan na atin. Ilaw pa. Madana na.
Kilaw mo gina. Nita na eh. Pa. hi. Say hi. So guys, we went to that what I told you earlier or before, that there's a house here and they have a old man living alone in the forest. Oh my god, there's a dog. I don't believe in guys that they have a person live that kind of house. I didn't want to I didn't want to go away. I don't want to go near in the house because there's many dog. I'm so scared. I will zoom the video. Look at the house, guys. There's an old man living alone. I don't know if he have a family or relatives, but my father said that old man live here in how many years ago? How many years he live here alone? And then he had very old na, and I think he's 70 plus. I'm so scared the dogs. He had many more dogs, guys. And my father wait to the old man get out on her house because my father bring 2 kilos of rice to give him. Look, it is near on my father's side making charcoal, and then the house. Since ever, guys, I don't believing right now that they have a person living that kind of house. It's very broke, and I think he's not comfortable living like that kind of home because it is just like a dog house. It's very broke, and I think the roof it's made of made of steel. Yeah, but it's so very it's so very old. Look. I want to show you clearly. Listen. It is a very small house, and you know that here backyard is so messy. It's because you know that he's old now, so maybe he's not he don't move faster like that. But my father said since morning until now he did not get out to his house. I don't know what happened, but sometimes he will talk with my father and uncle. But this day, he did not go out. He did not get out. Let's go on. It's very poor. And we harvest. We take about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sack of charcoal. So we need to continue because there's more charcoal here inside. Hoy! Hoy! Nagsigaro-sirigarilyo na pug ka? Ilabay na. Ha? Oh, labay. Ta. Labay.
Kami kaldero. Haman ni mo kabo. Picture tawo. Ha? Si Taw-Taw. Bakod, bakod. Dala.
Ikaw na gang.
Wala, wala.
So it's almost 5 p.m. now. So we need to go back home. And we're not done yet. There's a kuan pa. We continue it again tomorrow. So we need to back here tomorrow. We take about 17 sack today. It's raining na. Ciao. We went back home because it's gonna 5 p.m. and we went first to the old man house to bring rice and dried fish. Wa man kayong gawas yo, maniod doon ta tagay na. Maniod doon ta tagay na, wa man kayong gawas. Balik pa mi ugma.
Oh, na. Ayo. Oh.